Hello good people, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about key trends in international trade in 2022. By the way, this topic is according from compassolution.com. So here we go, enjoy the video. This year, the year 2021 marks a new trend in global community development, digital data presentation, or digitalization. A recent report by Adobe indicates that in 2022, the rapid digitalization of international traders will continue as the only possible way to improve the efficiency and competitiveness of companies. According to UNCTAD, the volume of global trade in 2022 will increase by 25% compared to 2021, reaching $28.5 trillion. The last quarter of 2021 was the most positive quarter for trade worldwide, and developing countries trade much more than developed countries. Trade in goods reached nearly $6 trillion, up more $2,000 million. Trade in service amounted to $1.6 trillion. International trade performance in 2021 was mixed. Global trade in products extended pre-pandemic levels, but trade in service remained subdued as many cross-border services, especially international travel and tourism, have not yet recovered. After a strong global economic recovery in 2021, global growth is weakening further. Global economic recovery and prospects depend on a delicate balance between a new wave of COVID-19, serious political challenge, persistent labor market problems, continuing supply chain disruption, and rising inflationary pressure around the world, a factor which will influence the world trade in 2022. This year, UNCTAD expects global trade to be influenced by several factors, but most notably inflation in the US and some countries in Europe, the real estate turmoil in China, and the war between Russia and Ukraine. By now, most international companies have learned to adapt and remain resilient in the face of an uncertain economic climate. Difficulties in the supply chain and waves caused by COVID-19 as part of this resilience. They have found the strength to accept that the future of the international trade ecosystem remains unpredictable. To adapt, they are employing better risk management strategies, finding alternative transportation routes, manufacturing and export service providers, leveraging digital market, and employing innovative economic and financial solutions. Digital prospective solution will be more relevant in 2022 than ever before. Accordingly, tools like Easy Business are becoming more and more in demand in export, sales, and logistic departments. Those who were able to adapt last year will this year fully immerse themselves in their new normal, innovating, embracing digital technologies, and yes, becoming more comfortable with the unknown. Based on this insight, we have compiled a list of 10 global threats trend to watch in 2022. Many of the proof that in general the international business community has accepted unpredictably as the norm in which it can and should thrive. 1. Moderate economic growth with regional and sectoral variability. According to the WTO, global merchandise trade growth could increase to 4.7% in 2022. As last year, economic progress will vary from region to region, with developed countries making faster gains than developing countries. In a situation like this, it is critical to stand out from the competition in both local and international markets. A unique digital presentation of the company in 28 languages is one of the most effective ways to mark your company position as a flagship in a particular sector. Booster International Premium Solution can help you create such a presentation in the shortest possible time. Okay, because this topic is too long, see you in the next one in part 2 video. Thanks for watching.